Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you about Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Are you looking for a comprehensive wealth management solution that combines the power of technology with the expertise of human advisors? Look no further than Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Vanguard's personalized wealth management offering, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is a digital wealth management platform that provides customized financial advice and ongoing portfolio management. It offers a personalized approach to investing with a dedicated financial advisor who works closely with you to create a tailored plan based on your unique goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. With Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, you'll work with a certified financial planner professional who will create a comprehensive financial plan based on your specific needs and objectives. Your advisor will consider factors such as retirement savings, tax optimization, and legacy planning to ensure your investments align with your long-term goals. Your portfolio will be constructed using a mix of low-cost Vanguard mutual funds and ETFs, providing broad diversification across asset classes. Vanguard's investment experts will actively manage your portfolio, rebalancing it as needed to maintain your target asset allocation and minimize risk. Vanguard's tax loss harvesting strategies can help reduce your tax burden by identifying opportunities to sell investments at a loss to offset capital gains. Your advisor will also explore tax-efficient withdrawal strategies in retirement to help maximize your after-tax income. With Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, you'll have unlimited access to your dedicated financial advisor for guidance on a wide range of financial topics, from navigating market volatility to planning for major life events. Your advisor will be available for regular check-ins and will proactively reach out to discuss any necessary adjustments to your plan. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services requires a minimum investment of $50,000 and charges an annual advisory fee of approximately 0.30% of your portfolio balance. The fee is tiered with lower rates for higher account balances. For example, accounts over $5 million pay just 0.05% on the portion above $25 million. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services offers a compelling combination of personalized financial advice, diversified portfolio management, and ongoing support from a dedicated financial advisor. If you're looking for a comprehensive wealth management solution that leverages the power of technology and the expertise of human experts, Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is definitely worth considering. So that's basically all about Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.